Hello friends, welcome to our another project. This time we are going to create image hover effect. Yes friend, it is going to be not that complex, but you will learn an interesting trick. Yes friend. Well, so let's get started. Inside body, our HTML content will be, so everything will be inside a div with a class of container. And inside it, we are going to have an image. So div with a class of say image. That's it. And here we are going to have this image which we have inside image folder. So here we will have image source equals image slash sci-fi.png, and let's provide or say sci-fi image. All right, that's it. Let's hit save and let's take a look, right? Okay, so here is our image. Now the thing is, it's it's not going to be that big. So what we will do, our container will be small, kind of say 400 pixel by 300 pixel, and we are going to place that container right at the middle of the page. Okay, and on hover, this image will be scaled up. Yes, and when scaling, it will maintain the size. So let's see. All right, so inside head, let's have our styles. So first, body. Height 100 viewport height. Display flex. Justify content center and align items center. Okay. Let's hit save. Let's take a look. Yeah. Okay. Next, container. Dot container. Let's provide its width, say kind of 400 pixel, and height, say 300 pixel. Let's hit save. Now let's come here. Well, what just happened? We know that our container is 400 by 300, but why it is showing like this? Because now we need to restrict the image size. Yes friend. So what we are going to do here, dot container dot image, its width will be 100% and height will be 100%. So what we did here, we restricted the size of this image, this div. But what happened to this image? Let's take a look, friend. See, it's still big. You know why? Now we need to restrict it. So dot image. Inside we are going to target this image. Okay. And we are going to make its width 100%. Height also 100%. Let's take a look now. Yes, see here. Now it is cute, right? Okay. Next, we are going to add image hover zooming effect, and that we are going to do in our next lecture. So see you in our next lecture. Till then, have fun, take care.